What's up everyone and welcome back to Casify. My name is पूर्वा और आज का वीडियो genuinely different है क्योंकि आज हम सिर्फ एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे। आज हम एक एड्रेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो मुंबई की हिस्ट्री में दर्ज हो जाएगा। हम बात कर रहे हैं L&T द गेटवे बाय L&T Realty located in शिवरी। But before we move ahead, let me quickly tell you what is Casify. Casify is a platform where we connect home buyers directly with the developers. That means no brokerage, no random commission and no spam phone calls. Because on Casify, the listing is done by the builder and not by the broker. As home buying should be simple and not complicated. Now, let's get back to the project details. Okay, so now let's get into the details. L&T the Gateway exactly hai kya? This is an ultra-luxury residential development spread across 2.17 acres at Heybandar, Shivri, Mumbai, on the eastern seafront of the city, right next to the Shivri-Worli connector and the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link Road, that is the Atal Setu. This project features two iconic towers, Tower A and Tower B, each rising to 62 floors. Combined, they offer just 314 exclusive residences. 314 units and 62 floors, दो towers में ये density calculate करो, ये एक extremely low density project है। Privacy का एक level जो South मुंबई में भी rare है और एक extraordinary fact, 90% of all apartments at the Gateway offer direct sea view Arabian Sea Mumbai. हार्बर लाइन, द आइकॉनिक अटल सेतु, मुंबई ईस्टर्न स्काईलाइन, सब कुछ आपकी विंडोज से दिखेगा रोज सुबह, हर शाम, हमेशा। Configuration available in the projects include 3 BHK starting at approximately 5.70 crore onwards, 3 BHK larger carpet areas at premium pricing, 4 BHK approximately 7 crore onwards, 4.5 BHK approximately up to 11.50 crore. Studio units भी available है selected investors के लिए। और अब बात करें एमिनिटीज की, सो ये प्रोजेक्ट इंक्लूड करते हैं 40+ लग्जूरियस एमिनिटीज, फुल एक्वा जोन, स्विमिंग पूल, जिम, क्लब हाउस, जॉगिंग ट्रैक, किड्स प्ले एरिया, सीनियर सिटीजन जोन, club house, and each and everything that you need will be right at your doorstep. And the best part about the project is that you have a sky club that rises up to 220 meters, that is just at the rooftop level, which is of 6 floors. The premium address deserves a premium amenity section. जैसा कि आपने देखा, ये प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड है राइट ऑपोजिट टू द शिवली वर्ली कनेक्टर, जहां से ईस्टर्न फ्रीवे सिर्फ 0.2 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे, अटल सेतु से 5 से 10 मिनट के डिस्टेंस पे। ऑल्सो यू हैव 2 अपकमिंग मेट्रो लाइन्स नियर बाय टू द प्रोजेक्ट। साथ ही मोनोरेल भी सिर्फ वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे है विद वडाला एंड शिवली रेलवे स्टेशन एट अ वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस, एंड द एयरपोर्ट ओनली एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 30 to 35 minutes from the project. And now we are starting with the sample flat tour of the residential project L&T the Gateway. We are entering your spacious 4.5 BHK of the project that is spread across the carpet area of 2251 square feet. As we enter, you have a very spacious foyer area that will give your apartment 100% privacy, and right near the entrance is the entrance to your very first bedroom. As you enter this bedroom, you have another foyer area that will give your bedroom privacy, and towards the left is the private washroom of your first bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This over here is the space of your first bedroom that you can customize as a guest bedroom. You can place your king-size bed, large-scale wardrobe, side tables, and customize this bedroom. Also, you will be getting full French windows with railing provided. And again, from this apartment, you will be getting Atal Setu and sea views. And also, if you customize this as a guest bedroom, just imagine your guest will also have beautiful sea view from this bedroom. Now, let's move and have a look at the rest of the apartment. As we move forward, This over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can easily place your sofa, center table, your 8 to 10 people dining table. You can easily accommodate a gathering of 15 to 20 people at the very same time. You can host parties, festivals and gatherings. That's exactly what you need when you think of a dream home. And in this living and dining area, you will have full French windows from where you have a very spacious balcony, and you will be getting beautiful Atal Setu and sea views. You can have a look how beautiful your view is. And now let's have a look at the rest of the apartment. As we move forward, over here on this side, one entrance is to your kitchen, one entrance is to your powder washroom, and one entrance is to your second bedroom. First, let's have a look at your kitchen space. This over here is your kitchen space. You will be getting fully modular kitchen, or you can design this kitchen totally as per your choice. Also in the kitchen, you have attached utility balcony, जहाँ से आपको मिलते हैं city view, and this utility balcony will connect you to your servant room. यहाँ पे है आपका servant room with a private washroom. Also, it has a separate entry exit. This is the entry exit to your servant room, और यहाँ से है आपका main apartment का entry. As we exit from the kitchen, opposite to it we have a powder washroom space that can be utilized by your guests so that you have privacy. And over here is the entrance to your second bedroom space that you can customize totally as per your choice. You can place a king or queen size bed along with your side tables and wardrobe. And from this bedroom you will be getting city views. And over here in this corner is your private washroom that will again come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now let's move forward. This apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. Over here in this corner you have some extra utility space that you can customize totally as per your choice. And as we move forward, over here this is your 0.5 area that you can customize as per your choice. You can build your mandir, game room, library, whatever you need. It's totally up to you. You have ventilation window provided in this 0.5 area as well. And over here is the entry to your third bedroom. You have a foyer area at the entrance of this bedroom. This is the entrance to your private washroom. And this over here is the space of your third bedroom that you can customize totally as per your choice. And from here you will be getting glass facade, full French windows and a beautiful city view from this bedroom. Now let's move forward and have a look at the master bedroom of this precious and luxurious 4.5 BHK. As we enter, this over here is the space of your master bedroom of your 4.5 BHK of L&T The Gateway that speaks luxury from each and every corner. In this bedroom especially, you will be getting full French windows with yet again beautiful sea view and Atal Setu views. And over here in this corner is the entrance to your private washroom of this master bedroom. And with this, we come to the end of the sample flat tour of your precious 4.5 BHK of the residential project L&T The Gateway. So that was the complete tour of L&T The Gateway, Shivri, Mumbai. L&T The Gateway is not just one of Mumbai's finest luxury project. It is a landmark. 62 floors, 90% sea-facing natural marble floors, HPA Singapore interiors, Hafiz Contractor Architecture, Sky Club at 220 meters, Eastern Freeway at 200 meters, Mumbai's Eastern Waterfront Transformation और L&T India's engineering giant शिवरी में इस क्वालिटी का, इस स्केल का, इस व्यू का कोई दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं है. ये एक जनरेशनल एड्रेस है. एंड दैट वाज माय कंप्लीट ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू ऑफ L&T द गेटवे शिवरी मुंबई. अगर ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो, प्लीज़ लाइक करो, शेयर करो किसी दोस्त के साथ जो साउथ मुंबई में प्रॉपर्टी ढूंढ रहे हैं, और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करो. ऐसे जेन्युइन प्रॉपर्टी रिव्यूज़ लाते रहेंगे ओनली ऑन कासिफाई. नो कमीशन, नो बायस, ओनली रियल फैक्ट्स. साइट विजिट बुक करनी हो या फ्लोर प्लान्स चाहिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर और लिंक दिया हुआ है. Until next time, make smart decisions. अपना ख्याल रखना. See you in the next video.